Hey, what's up guys? So Vivo has scheduled a launch event on April 20 where the brand will unveil the much anticipated Vivo X Fold 2 alongside Vivo Pad 2 and company's first ever clamshell foldable phone, the Vivo X Flip. But ahead of the official launch, tipster Ishan Agarwal has revealed some important information about the Vivo X Flip. According to him, the Vivo X Flip will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which is last year's flagship CPU. But it's worth mentioning that the performance of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is almost similar to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Since the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is last year's flagship SoC, it won't be that much expensive than the current Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Anyway, moving on, the display on the Vivo X Flip will be a 6.74-inch AMOLED display with 2520 by 1080 pixel resolution. The display will be an HDR10+ and will support 120Hz refresh rate. The device will also have a 3-inch cover display, which would be very useful for users. It will get power from a 4400 mAh battery with 44W fast charging support. For photography, it has a 32 megapixel camera and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. On the front, there will be a 32 megapixel shooter for selfies. It will weigh around 200 grams, so yeah, it won't be that bulky. It will feature an under-display fingerprint scanner and will run on Android 13. So that's all we know about Vivo's first flip phone, and I'll keep you posted once I'll get more information. So do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.